Hey friends, long time no see or no upload. I guess I've just been really busy with life and I didn't have time to upload or edit, but here I am trying to get started on it again. So enjoy! I wanted to vlog this whole thing because I'm meeting my college besties for the first time in a long time. And of course, it had to be in Elephant Grounds at the podium because it's my favorite place ever.
Pero punta nga pala sa bahay.
Oo nga eh. Tsaka matibay. Nakita ko pa lang dun sa mga ano. Hi naman kayo. Hi! Vlog. Ano? Okay ta kayo. Pwede mong i-shift kasi. Pero hindi ko pa alam kasi gusto ko siya i-mirror. Alam mo yung minsan pa nag-selfie ka. Gusto ko yan.
Ayan, i-edit mo na lang.
Ako din, meron. Kasi feel ko lahat masarap.
Yung meron palang ba din yan?
Yung chicken itself, feel ko hindi maanghang yung paste naman.
After eating, we went around Podium and saw this place. They had a lot of books which you can read. I'm not sure if you can take it out, and I'm also not sure when I upload this if it's still there. But it was a nice place. We didn't have plans the whole day aside from eating, so it was fun to just hang around here. Also, I forgot to say that I've been using a vlogging camera. And I'm not sure if it's the best. It was cheap, it was on Shopee, and so I just wanted to try it out. I quickly realized after using it that it's so shaky, so I'm sorry for that, but memories are memories.
Gusto ko ngayon siya. Hindi ko alam paano. Hindi ko pa nga natatapos. Baka nga. Yan? Talaga? Ano ka? Sci-fi?
Sci-fi.
A lot of people might think this is a little bit boring, but honestly, to each their own. This is our own definition of fun. And after this whole thing, we were supposed to go home already, but then we found out there was a bazaar elsewhere, and we just wanted to check that out.
Hi, Atina. Kamusta yung first time mo sa SM Podium?
My conclusion is, hindi tayo yung target market. Hindi tayo target
Bored
market.
ka ba?
Kasi itong book mo.
Ako din. Yun lang yung sa'yo. Saan pa? Transportation is so amazing in the Philippines. Grab era. Same step. Last na ako. Ang cute. Okay na po. about the comfort.
After a long day of shopping. So we choose spectacular.
Spectacular.
Review your Supremo.
Ayun, malapit na malowbat. Pero hindi ko alam kasi kung na full charge ko pa. K9. Kapatid ni Glock 9. Wala yung color na gusto ko. Pero nakita ko na kung itsura niya. And I'm having reservation. Okay. Atid natin ba? Punta ka na ba? Hindi, nalapit ka na. Gusto mo pumasok? Pasok pa, hali ka. Upo ka doon, hali ka na. Saan tayo mag-isimula? Sa loob. Wala nang topping.
Wala ng topic. For 190.
Pwede na. Pwede na yung. Kaya? Easy siya.
Napabili kami ng lipsticks.
Ako hindi.
Chuchu, diba?
Chuchu.
Kasi yun yung favorite. Isa sa favorite ko lipstick ni Stackable.
Talaga?
Pero face out na siya.
Ang may chuchu dito yung mga pinag-upload ko.
Bumili ka ng
Kakabili ko lang na
ayun yun. Iba yung gano'n.
oo. So, hindi na ako bumili. Kasi naubos na yung blush ko. I got it for 320. Oh, actually hindi. Mura ko siya nakuha. 176. Kasi tinry ko yung TikTok pay later. TikTok pay later. Say lang. I think mas marami ang mabibili kung konti yung tao. Tapos, hindi mainit. Hindi mainit, no? Hindi masikip sa.
You understand.
Sana hindi narinig. Kasi mahina yung audio nito. Pero if you know you we'll see. Actually, nagsara na sila dati before. Bumalik lang. So, ito pa yung ginawa. Kasi
Oo,
maliit.
nagbago na sila ng face.
Dapat na natin.
Thank you.
Tip. Baka hindi. exercise. Pagod na po kami. That's why we don't like watching. I watch. Nakakita kay daddy. I-check mo pag nadaan siya. I-check mo ngayong oras. Hindi, yung message ko. Ayaw. Very demure. Hindi na go. Dahil sa akin, nabili tong device na to.
Totoo.
Kala ko ikaw. Okay naman. Ang